The overall goal of this methodology is to provide researchers and resource managers with a framework for assessing and managing aquatic systems within actively developing watersheds affected by multiple land use activities.
The watershed assessment and planning approach described in this video will benefit researchers and aquatic resource managers by enabling characterization and prediction of cumulative impacts associated with multiple land use activities.
A main advantage of this technique is that it incorporates a cumulative analysis framework within a GIS-based scenario analysis framework. This allows managers to interactively assess the outcomes of regulatory decisions such as permitting and mitigation.
For example, the presented approach makes it possible to facilitate both economic and development activity, while also producing net benefits to aquatic ecosystems through targeted remediation of other stressors.
In preparation, select landscape-based measures of dominant land use activities within the targeted watershed, such as land cover attributes within the National Land Cover Database. Then, in the GIS, open the NHD catchment file for the targeted area. Before beginning the summarization, ensure that each catchment has a unique identifier. To begin, allocate vector land use data to each polygon catchment. Use the Tabulate Intersection tool to calculate landscape attributes for each catchment. Select the catchment's layer as the input zone feature, the unique identifier as the zone field, and the vector land use data as the input class feature. Next, allocate raster land use data to each catchment. Use the Tabulate Area tool to calculate the attributes for